In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find missing S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any phone models below that. Basically, I'm referring to the official article on how you can do this correctly. Now, when you use Bluetooth or Air Command to sync your S Pen with your Galaxy phone, you can basically use this application called SmartThings to see the pen's location wherever it is. And if for some reason your S Pen Pro goes missing, SmartThing Find can scan your device and provide you with a map that includes detailed information like addresses and timestamp. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through Samsung Store and download this application called SmartThings. Inside SmartThings, log in your account and it will take us to our dashboard. From here, you want to go through the Live tab and click on the Find card. It is going to be this specific card right here. From there, we then want to swipe left if necessary, and then you want to click on your S Pen card and then tap on refresh to basically update your pen location on the map. From there, you will be able to see it anywhere, wherever it is. Basically, you can select something like navigate if you want to go to the location of your pen, and from there you will be able to find your missing S Pen. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.